Ang hindi po pag nasabi na meron kayong CKD, ibig sabihin magdadialysis na kayo. Your doctors will help prevent the progression of your CKD papuntang dialysis.
So isa pang I think nakakatakot sa pananaw ng karamihan yung dialysis. Can you explain in simple terms? When you talk about dialysis, maraming klase 'di ba? Ano ba yung mga yon?
Okay, so hindi sinabing meron kang CKD, ibig sabihin magdadialysis ka na. Okay? Although, ang pagkakaroon ng CKD puts you at an increased risk na madialysis ka pag hindi natin naagapan. Okay? So going back to the stages of CKD, early stages of CKD, especially CKD stage 1, 2, and 3, yun po ang pinakamagandang window wherein we can prevent progression to end-stage kidney disease. End-stage kidney disease is yung time na kailangan ka ng magdialysis, which is CKD stage 5. Okay? So pag na-pick up natin ang patient at CKD stages 1 to 3, yun yung pinakamagandang time na ayusin natin yung diet ng patient or kontrolin natin yung risk factors because ito yung best time para ma-prevent yung progression. Now, pag hindi natin sila na-pick up, kasi nga, ang sabi ko kanina, walang symptom ang early stages of CKD. Kaya usually, hindi nagpapatingin ng mga patient. Pag napabayaan, magpo-progress yan to CKD stages 4 and 5. So pag nasa stage 4 and 5 na, kahit later stages na, pag na-pick up natin, we still try our best para ma-prevent yung progression to end-stage kidney disease or sa pagdadialysis. So ganun pa rin, tignan ng diet, advise patient to exercise hanggat kaya nila physically, kontrolin ang mga risk factors, bigyan ng mga ibang gamot kung meron ng mga ibang complication. We still do that. And if everything fails, kung kailangan na talagang magdialysis, then that's when we initiate or start dialysis.